going on, my sexy YouTubers? Welcome back to Ricky365. My name is Rick and this is your channel, guys. And today with me I got the 2020 Polaris RZR XP, I think. Yeah. So as you guys know, I've been working on the Polaris, trying to make it more, fun to drive, more comfortable. And one of the things that I was missing is good use for this cargo area, which is this is just plastic and comes out very easy. A couple screws, before you know it, you can see the engine. There's a couple bars right here to reinforce the whole thing, and a bunch of straps on the side where you can just tie things up. And what I did today, what I did a couple of weeks ago, about 3-4 weeks ago, was I went to the store online and I ordered something that you're gonna like. Let me show you. So what do I got? I got the K-Box Storage ING rear RZR. I think the part number is 2883752-S. And this is revision 2, guys. Okay. So let me open the box real quick. Oh, you may want to see. Yeah, I know you want to see. So box. What we got. Yep. Perfect. Here we go. Let's put them on. So this is what we got right here. It's definitely gonna give a different vibe to the whole RZR. There's some mounting brackets right here inside and some instructions. We're gonna follow the instructions, guys. You guys can see part number 2883752. Hopefully I don't have to make any holes. Nope, I don't have to make any holes. So once you sit down this where it's supposed to be, it's just gonna sit down very snug towards the front. The only thing you need to do is open these little bags, okay? Insert these little adapters on the side of the I think you got to do more than this. Probably have to tie this up. Let's follow the instruction, guys. So before you begin, read the instructions and check to make sure the parts and tools are ready. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place the storage box where it's supposed to be. Second thing, there's supposed to be some kind of a locking mechanism right here up front, so it's there. Third thing we're gonna do, place lock reach assembly into align mounting. Number 4, my knee adjustment, tighten or loosen depending on fitment. So we're gonna fit this. We're gonna pull it all the way to where it's flush, right here. So she'll have some tools right here. So I'm using a 13mm to tie this up, and I'm gonna tie this up until it's flush with this right here. Hopefully you guys aren't. Hopefully we are in focus. We're in focus right now. Yeah, until everything is flush. Yeah. Perfect. I think this is good. And I'm gonna test it right away. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna send one down. And I'm gonna see if I can. Yep. That's the way to go. Ah, Jesus Christ. This is tough. I don't think I will have any issues. There's also a little baggie right here. Let me make sure that if there's anything I'm missing, because I'm doing this out of, I'm doing this from, just yeah, make it flush. Good. Let's do the other one. Do the other side. Perfect. Come on, dude. Flush. Flush. And go to the hole. Perfect. 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 I think we got it. As you guys can see, the good thing about this, let me finish reading this right here, make sure that I'm not missing anything. So, so part 3 is putting the lock and ride pieces. Number 4 is to make sure everything was tight. Number 5 is ensure lock ride assembly are fully seated before closing top level and securing. Yeah. And there is a front storage. There's another storage that goes right here, just like this. And you guys can opt for that too. But I don't want to have something in here just in case I have something that won't fit this rear storage. I think this one will be nice for like you know, if you want to do a couple of cans of soda or drinks or whatever the case may be, then put ice all the way here till here and then close, you know, and you find good to go. You'll be good to go. You will be good to go. Yeah, I think the fitment is amazing. Yeah, instructions are over. What do you guys think?